Hello everyone and welcome. This is going to be a tutorial on how to create a Steam icon that you can pin to your start menu in Windows 10. So as you can see, I've already set up Factorio and Factory Town, and let's do the same with Terraria. So go to your Steam library, right click on Terraria and go to Manage, go to Add Desktop Shortcut. You'll see it's created here. Right click on the shortcut, select Properties, copy the Steam ID, Steam : rungameid, and the ID itself. Copy that, and copy this from the description below. Put a space between them, and paste what you've just copied here, the Steam ID. So this whole string is what we need for the shortcut. Basically, this is going to open Explorer and then launch this Steam command. So now in any folder, I'm going to use the desktop. Right click and click shortcut, or right click new shortcut, and paste that string here where it says type the location. Next, give the shortcut a name, and you'll see here the shortcut does not have the icon yet, but we can pin to start. We'll create a working shortcut. Now if you do want the icon, I prefer it, then you can right click here, open file location, and here you have the shortcut. If you right click on it, select properties, go to change icon, click on browse. You'll have to know where the icon is stored. It is stored in different folders depending on the game, but most of them will be here. Program files, either the 64-bit version or the 86 version, and then Steam, games, and this has the icons stored there. So this path is where you'll find most of the icons. Terraria is here. So click open, select it there, click OK, and OK. And now as you can see, the icon has changed, and let's test it out. All right, everything's working.